Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write speech on International Women's Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Start with a slogan or quote. For example, I'm starting with She is the fire, she is the light, she is the strength, she is the might. Good morning everyone. Today is 8th of March and we are here to celebrate International Women's Day. A day to celebrate the strength, courage, and accomplishments of women everywhere. Women are the builders of society, constructing families, guiding communities, and changing nations. From the hug of a mother to the light of a scientist's breakthrough, from the bravery of a soldier to the beauty of an artist, women inspire, create, and enable. live in as we celebrate, let's take a look around. Women have been engaged in the struggles of discrimination, inequality, and injustice for hundreds of years. Yes, advances have been made, but progress has not covered it all yet. Empowerment is not just a word, it is a movement, a responsibility, and a promise. It is about giving every woman the freedom to dream, the right to succeed, and the respect she deserves. Let this day serve as a reminder that a society flourishes when women rise. Let us support and empower one another, shatter barriers, and build a world where every woman stands tall. Not in the shadows of uncertainty, but in the light of equality and respect. To all the wonderful women here, you are strong, talented, and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Let's celebrate and support one another, not just today, but every day. With this, I conclude my speech. Happy International Women's Day. Thank you all.